Hi, Mike here. When I got into this program, the reason I got into it was I was looking to make an extra 50 quid a week, something like that, just, as you can see, looking at me, I'm not a young fella, I'm 63, I work away, I've always worked. Here in Ireland, things are getting tough. We're told the recession is over, things are improving. A lot of bullshit women. Alright, we're still deep in the shit here in Ireland. Consequently, the work isn't great. When you do the work, the money isn't great. You've got to chase for the money. Self-employed electrician is what I am. It's not. I was looking for something to just, as I say, an extra 50, 100 per week. Every. So this program, and I signed up for $25, which is what, 22 quid a day. And I was kind of making an extra 25 quid, maybe 125 quid one day, maybe 75 quid another day, like 325s. So I decided to upgrade. I moved up to the 250 euro slot. And the same thing is happening. Some days I might make 200. Some days I may make two sales, which is 500 quid, all right, for a day, for someone that was only looking to make 100 quid a week. So basically, it's helped me get myself back on my feet again, and I would like to share it with everyone. So look. If you're interested, if you want to make 25 quid a day, if you want to make 1,000 a week, it isn't hard. It isn't hard. What you do is just follow, share the video, and ask to join the team, and I'll get you in. Okay, and you can join for free. You can see what it's about, and then if you want to start making money with it, you can start off 25 quid or $25. Or you can, there's 25, 100, 250, 500, or 1,000. And you will make multiples back of whatever you put. Alright, so just, as I say, like the video, share it, friendly, and ask to and I'll put you in, okay? Thanks for watching, and feel free to contact me with any questions. No problem at all. Have a good day. And yourself.